Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be making this. It's not even sure exactly what to call it. It's the outfeed table, but it's also the table saw stand. It's going to be the table I sell things at. This is probably going to be the workhorse of the shop, to be quite honest. There are a few things I'm going to be changing about it, I think, as time goes on. Just as I get used to it, as I play with it, the more I see, the more I do with it, the more I'm going to know. This is the first time ever creating something like this, so let's make some sawdust. So guys, what'd you think? Like I said, there's a ton of things in here that were kind of off the cuff type things. Like I've never owned a table saw before. I've used my dad's a couple times, but it's this big thing that's already done. I never had an outfeed table before, so now I do. You know, it rolls around. I've never made anything with wheels before, so there's that. There was a last minute design change where I dropped this so that this would be flush. Yeah, so like it's cool. A few things I still do have to do to it. I want to change the wheels, I think. I need to cut miter slots, not miter slots. What are these called? They're like a T-track, in deeper, probably to about here. I'm not sure if I'm in love with this table saw or not yet. You saw the first time I used it, which is kind of cool. But I mean, it's $100. It's a Harbor Freight table saw that I got on sale. So how much can I really complain? So guys, did you like it? What did you think? What would you do differently? What would you improve on it? Yeah, I'm super excited. And there's storage underneath. So I'm going to have no more clutter problems. Yeah, that's a lie. I'm always going to have clutter problems. That's just nature of the beast. It's on two things. Guys, I'm excited. This is awesome. So, thanks for watching. If you guys like this content, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to support me, go over to patreon.com/Knightsmith. Even $1 a month helps. No pressure, but I could use the help. It's exciting! So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And thank you for helping make this world better, one curve at a time. And I'll see you next week.